Y'all here early. You here for what? How to DIY and save a dime? It's early. I wasn't ready. Y'all gotta give me a moment. Oh, y'all still here? I'm ready. Let's go get started. Unfortunately, I lost all of the footage, just like I did the white tree, which you just seen in this video. I did this tree by myself. I wanted to do it by myself. And I lost all of the footage. During the time of recording, my babe called. I think my sister called, like 3 people called. So I messed up the footage and it split it up. And I think I trashed it. No, I know I trashed it because I can't find it. I can't retrieve it at all. So I'm just gonna be showing you a overall of the tree. I wanted to show everything being kind of done, and then I'm going to also try to get a tour in sometime through Vlogmas of everything, because I did change a lot of things around. Not a lot of little tweaks I did, but this is the actual tree in the living room, the other room, living room, and I'm just gonna, what is it, pan up and down it so you can see the decor. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. All right, so this is what she looks like. This is a 6.5-foot tree, and we're gonna zoom in on her. And you know, I went minimal because I lost a lot of my decor through the moving. So we're gonna zoom in and show you some decor on her. Nice and minimal until after the holidays, so I can get those great deals to add to my collection. But yeah, this is what she looks like.